shooting this video from Jaipur airport. This is my third tour to Jaipur after taking over as a deputy director in PNT audit, now called as FNC audit. First two tours were really nice one, excellent one. This one was also not bad one, but actually I was down with
announcement from Mr. Shubham Sharma. Driving to
I
Lucknow.
was down with stomach upset.
Mr. Shubham
And,
Sharma.
I was down with stomach upset and fever. My people, my staff of BO Jaipur, they helped me a lot. No words can describe the help they have extended to me during that turbulent time when I was alone in the hotel. One of my friend, whose name I don't want to give right now, I called him at night 3 o'clock and I said, "Ki this is the situation and what is to be done. I feel like being admitted in a hospital because for 15 times I was required to go to bathroom due to stomach upset and almost no water and breathing issue." He suggested me some tablets. My wife always used to give me some tablets because she is aware about my body compositions and everything. So I sent him the copy of scan photo of tablets, and he prescribed me कि you take these tablets, and after taking the tablets he asked me to walk for 5-10 minutes, which it was very difficult because so much water was drained through due to dehydration. But finally it all went nicely. Up at 3 o'clock somewhere I slept, and morning 6 o'clock again dehydration was there. Again I called that my friend, doctor friend, and he said ki now you won't be having any problem. Finally morning my staff people, especially Induriya ji, he arranged a khichdi for me because when stomach is upset then खिचड़ी is a thing, means गुजराती खिचड़ी उन्होंने अपने घर से बना के भिजवाई मेरे लिए along with homemade curd. I'm really thankful to इंदुरिया जी. और एक शुभम करके लड़का है MTS, जो रात को भी कुछ दवाई चाहिए थी तो लेके आया था. एक सैनी जी है जो हमारे यहाँ पे जॉब करते हैं, और सैनी जी वॉज ऑल्सो देयर एज ए हेल्पिंग हैंड. उन्होंने एक नई चीज़ बताई कि ना भी हिल गई होगी बेचारे फिल की हुआ नहीं हुआ पता नहीं, बट ही आस्क्ड मी टू ले डाउन ऑन फ्लोर, और उसने एक झटका दिया, बोले अब ठीक हो गया, अब कुछ नहीं होगा. वेदर इट वाज मेडिसिन और सैनी जी का जो धक्का जोर से एक शोल्डर पे दिया, दुम्बा मारा बोलते हैं जो, तो उस वजह से मेरा थोड़ा कुछ हुआ होगा, क्या हुआ होगा पता नहीं. बट then it went nicely. Around 11 o'clock I called my people for having a meeting in the hotel itself. So my 3 AOs were kind enough to come to hotel for discussions because I was here in Jaipur for supervision. So I conducted supervision for 2 hours at my hotel. Then I also want to thank Red Fox Lemon Tree Hotel for their helping me in this turbulent time when I was missing home food. They gave me home food. They prepared each and everything what I wanted. They gave me fruits also. Even in today morning when I wanted to have khichdi, because I don't want to take any chance while traveling to Ahmedabad in a flight. So they get me khichdi in the morning at 9 o'clock. Heads up to Lemon Tree staff, Red Fox staff, for getting me those things. Finally I am fit and fine and now traveling back to Ahmedabad. Within some time, 3 o'clock I may be reaching to my home, my sweet home with my lovely 2 kids and beautiful wife. I thought just let me share and say thank you to each and every person who helped me in this particular moment. Thank you BO Jaipur staff. Even Yudhishthir was there asking me कि सर कुछ भी चाहिए तो आप बोलिए. Some other staff were also there, but it was nicely. गुजराती जो होते हैं वो बहुत इस टाइप की मदद करते हैं. मैंने तो ऐसी बहुत मदद की, बट जो 2 दिन में मेरे साथ जो मुझे एक्सटेंड की इन लोगों ने मदद, उसके लिए मैं उनका तहे दिल से आभारी हूँ। भगवान करे आप हमेशा खुश रहे, आबाद रहे। और 1-2 सजेशन और कि ये स्टमक अपसेट होने का रीज़न एक और था कि इंडिगो में वाइल कमिंग टू जयपुर आई हैड टेकन ए सैंडविच, पनीर सैंडविच. Avoid flight food as far as possible because that may be the triggering point for stomach upset, and stomach upset led to fever.
It's a name-changing announcement from Mr.
So-
Shubham Sharma.
This man is not
Mr.
going to
Shubham
leave
Sharma.
Shubham Sharma. He is making announcement again and again. So it all went nicely, and I'm happy that I'm going back because in the night when I called my friend 3 o'clock कि दोस्त मुझे तकलीफ़ हो रही है, मुझे आई फील कि आई नीड टू बी एडमिटेड बिकॉज सो मच वाटर हैव फ्लोन एंड अब मेरे में शक्ति नहीं बची है. ही सेंड फ्यू नाइस मैसेज, बोले you can handle it, just stay hydrated, let there be vomiting, let there be dehydration or whatever, stay hydrated and after taking these tablets you will be okay. So it all went nicely, and now I'm going to fly back to Ahmedabad in the same Indigo flight. I'm not going to take anything like sandwich or so. This is a beautiful view of this airport, and thank you Almighty for one more thing. I just want to tell कि night 3 o'clock I called my wife also, and she said कि Kripesh, go and get yourself admitted. But उसने भी जो हमेशा मेरे को टैबलेट्स देती है होम्योपैथी की और जो दूसरी, उस वजह से आई कुड सर्वाइव. और तो इट ऑल वेंट नाइसली. थैंक्स ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स एट जयपुर BO, माई डॉक्टर फ्रेंड whose name I cannot give, and my wife, beautiful wife, for all the support. चलिए मिलते हैं अहमदाबाद में. थैंक्स जयपुर, बाय बाय जयपुर.